Have you ever looked closely at your earbuds or your phone's charging port and realized just how much gunk and pocket lint has moved in? It's a bit gross, but more importantly, it actually ruins your sound quality and charging speed. That's why the Sticky Electronics Cleaning Kit is such a brilliant little toolbox to have in your drawer. The star of the show is the Precision Cleaning Putty. Unlike using a toothpick or a paperclip, which can actually damage those delicate mesh screens, you just press this putty into the speaker grills of your AirPods or phone. It molds itself into every tiny crevice and lifts away earwax, dust, and debris in one satisfying pull. It leaves zero residue behind, so your devices look and sound like they just came out of the box. But it's not just the putty. This is a full maintenance and repair kit. It comes with specialized precision tools like microbrushes and a pointed cleaning nib designed specifically to reach deep into charging ports where lint likes to hide. It's compatible with everything from the latest iPhones to the tiniest wireless earbuds. Regularly using this kit doesn't just keep things hygienic, it can actually extend the life of your devices by preventing connection issues. It's a small investment that saves you from a frustrating trip to the repair shop. Click the link below for the best price and give your tech the deep clean it deserves.